Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today, we're diving into the beauty benefits of coffee with a simple DIY coffee scrub you can make at home. Coffee isn't just for your morning pick-me-up. It's a fantastic ingredient for your skin too. Rich in antioxidants, coffee helps fight free radicals, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To make your own coffee scrub, you'll need half a cup of coffee grounds, a quarter cup of coconut oil, and a quarter cup of brown sugar. Mix these ingredients together until you have a thick paste. The coffee grounds serve as a natural exfoliant, sloughing off dead skin cells to reveal smoother, brighter skin. Coconut oil hydrates and nourishes, while brown sugar adds an extra exfoliating boost. Gently massage the scrub onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse with warm water. Use this scrub once or twice a week for best results. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Tea and Coffee Explorers for more fun and easy DIY tips. Your skin will thank you.